My name is Sebastian, and my CS50 Python final project is the first attempt to build a good open source Japanese-French dictionary. There are good open source Japanese-English dictionaries like the reference project developed by Jimmy Brin that returns good results. By good, I mean the database is crazy extensive with many examples, it includes recent words, and the results are somewhat ordered in that the first one are the most current words. There are numerous attempts of Japanese dictionaries in French, but they never fulfill those three criteria. My app will be in three parts. The first one is a database joining two good free dictionaries with a word frequency database published by a Japanese researcher. The second part is a command line tool that will provide various outputs depending on the request. The third part will be a GUI. I want it to be modular to be able to replace a serious-looking app for adults by a learning game for children, as an example. I have globally better outputs that I was expecting with the whole thing, but I still have many work to do on it, so I only submit the command line interface with a mini database to submit 50 as it is stable enough. That's also the fun part where I used many elements from CS50X and CS50 Python, like SQLite or the argument parser. I try my best to use the biggest novelty of the class, object-oriented programming, but it's still difficult, and a badly defined object is what caused me the most bugs to fix. But yes, anyway, thanks to all the staff and also to the CS50 Discord. See you!